Hi, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and today I want you all to get your phones out because we are introducing the new Jende Phone App. I'm going to show you how to download it right now. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is go to your browser, whatever browser you're using in your phone or your tablet. Hit jendeindustries.com, so this will take you to the regular website. Then you can just scroll all the way down. See the Google Play sign? Click on that. Hit open, download it, and then open it when it's done. Install. Every phone might be a little bit different here, but basically the same process. You might have to go and find the file once you've downloaded it. All right, and then open. I'll ask you a quick series of questions, just allow, and I do it while I'm on this app only. And then when you open it up again, so here I'm going to go out of that into my apps here. Boom, Jende Industries, I got two of them now. JendeIndustries.com here, app. Press on that and you are at your phone. Notice that the purple here makes it a little bit different. This is the app. It basically, you don't have to type in JendeIndustries.com into your browser. You can just do it straight from your phone. You can save it to your front page, your home page, and shop every bit as safe and secure as normal. And it's quick and easy, and now it's 100% accessible.